A Lake County judge could decide whether or not to dismiss charges against the father of the man accused in the Highland Park parade shooting. Robert Crimo Jr. is charged with reckless conduct for each person killed in that mass shooting. NBC5's Lisa Chavarria live for us this morning from the courthouse there in Waukegan. And Lisa, it sounds like the father is facing these charges because of a document he signed.
That's right, Michelle. What authorities are saying is that the father signed paperwork that allowed his son, who was 19 at the time, to get a gun license. When his son was 21, that's when police say that he is accused of opening fire on the Highland Park 4th of July parade. In all, 7 people were killed. Today, a Lake County judge could decide whether or not to dismiss those reckless conduct charges against Robert Crimo Jr. or allow the case to move forward. Crimo's attorney told the judge earlier this month his client was charged under an unconstitutionally vague law. He says Crimo Jr. is being charged for what he called innocent conduct by signing paperwork that allowed his son to get that gun license. Lake County State's Attorney Eric Reinhardt argued that Crimo Jr. sponsored his son for that license in 2019, just months after authorities say his son tried to kill himself and was accused by a family member of making threats to, quote, kill everyone. Less than 3 years later, authorities say his son opened fire into the crowds of people at the Highland Park parade. Robert Crimo Jr. pleaded not guilty to 7 counts of reckless conduct for each person killed in that shooting. Again, that is the father of the alleged shooter. If the Lake County judge decides to keep this case and to allow it to go forward, a bench trial is expected to take place in early November. As for what else the judge could make a determination on as to whether or not cameras could be allowed in the courtroom going forward when it comes to this particular case.